Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka kotia thu khana epic novel jong Babu Kynpham sing Nongkynrih ka bakerteng funeral nights ka badan 1000 arpu sausla. Bad ka bawla Pynmih ha India house nam 1000 arpuwe da ka Amazon Westland. Minta ka kentian Pynmih biang ya ka ha ka United Kingdom bad ha ka United States. Ha UK bat ha US on sa Pynmih bat penpriang ya kini kot da ka way ka publishing company ka bala tip kerteng kum ka an other stories. Kabala Pynmih ya ki kot jong ki nong thok kot bapau nam bat ki bala yo bun ki khusnam na keleng ka perthai. Kum ban tip hang ni ka funeral nights kala yo ya ka jingero bat jing tho ni reviews ki bacana tam hakari. Kum ka nuksa ka Nilanjana Roy ka nong thok kot bat journalist bapau nam hakari. Kala ong ba ka funeral nights is one of the greatest modern epics by a writer from India. Kabamut baka funeral nights kadai kawai nikikot epic thamai bakraw tam jong unong tho na India. Ka India Today magazine pat kalaong baka nikakot kalong on put downable everyone should read one of the best books of the year 2021. Kabamut baka nikakot kadai kabomla ban ino sisian habala pulie baro kidi ban pulie ka na bakalong kawai nakikot kapapakatam ha India ha usnam arhajar arpuwe. Ka jing Pynmih ikne kot ha UK bat US kadai ka buram bakham kerpang namar khamnyar bakikot na India kinyo yakum kini ka kabu. Kumban chupen kenmau ubabu Kynpham sing Nongkynrih ubalong unohikai hapok ka skol ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong ulatho bun ligikot bat kikot jingroi poetry ha ka ktin khasi bat pareng kibala no senyang sikat dei syaka emlang kasalang bat kibala penerus pa ya usup uthiar ha ka tho ka pulih.
Because what I've done in the book is try to put in stories that are amusing, or that's what I would like to think that they are amusing. Most of them are, or what I would like to think amusing. That is my first priority in this Khasi book. But they are amusing tales, not in the form of a joke, because I've shared this with friends like Kamai again and Professor Sukalpa Bhattacharjee. There was a great storyteller. I've shared with them, and we have had a lot of laughter. But after the laughter, then you see that these stories are actually serious. And as an illustration, I'd like to tell you about one of the stories that is in the book. There are these people, in a funeral home, talking about the backwardness of the state of Meghalaya, and especially the Khasi people.